Good morning, students. This is another video for today about tutorial of heading levels, HTML heading levels. So let's start. We have to code on Notepad or WordPad or any other editor. So as I have told you earlier that first we have to click on Start menu, or you can say this is window button, and then you have to find Notepad, and after that you have to like this and you have to code over here. But I have typed before it to teach you, to tell you about the heading levels. So where I have saved it, just you will see, you can see over here, this is heading levels. Now I am going to open it. Just click on it and you will see the um, heading levels coding, the coding of heading levels. These are the fundamental tags, you know about them: HTML, head, and then title for the headers information. Like here, because we are going to know about heading levels, so I have assigned the title of for this web page, that is heading levels, and then we have to close title and then head. Now next thing is there, from here body is going to be started, and background color means BG color, and other attribute of body is background. With the help of background we insert any image or picture in the background, and in BG color we can insert or we can change the background color of the web page. In two of the things at the same time, only one thing can be performed. Either you can set any image or picture in the background of a web page, or you can change the background color supported by HTML. And I have told you in the previous videos how many colors are supported by HTML. And also you have known about these attributes: top margin and left margin. Top margin, left margin, aqua, sorry, BG color, background, and some other like a link, b link, and link. All these are the attributes of body tag which should be used under body tag. Okay, so let's start. uh, in this web page, the color of background color of the web page will be aqua, top margin 60 and left margin 50. Now we have to start. As I have told you in the video that H1 is the first heading label that should be tagged very first, and H6 is the smallest, H1 is the largest. Okay, so if you are not assigning alignment, then the heading will be put or will be kept to the left side of the web page. And if you have assigned any alignment, particular alignment, that will be kept like that. You can see H1, for H1 we did not assign any alignment, so it will be there. You will see it on the left side. And H2, that is smaller than H1, H3 is smaller than H2, H4 is smaller than H3, H5 is smaller than H4, H6 is the smallest, okay, in size. So we have assigned here H2 align center. Then you will see level 2. You can write down not only level 2, you will you can yeah, we will write here Radha Madhav Public School. Okay, Radha Madhav Public School, public school. Okay, Radha Madhav Public School. This is H1 and this will be the largest. In output you will see. Control C. And again I am giving the same name. Okay, and you will see the different size and different location on the web page. You will see in the output. Okay, so this is like this. You can see, you can change whatever the heading you want to keep or you want to insert in your web page. You can write down like this and you can align all these things. And lastly, we have to close body tag by using forward slash, and then we have to use or we have to close the HTML tag, and then we have to save it. And I have already saved it, but I have made some changes in it, so that is why I have to save it. You can save it from here, only save. If you are clicking on save as, then it will demand for another name, but I have already saved it with the name heading levels. So I am just using this. Control S can be used, or you can click on here, Control S, or both of the things are acceptable. Now we will see the result of this coding. So what result will be there? The first way is there. Just go where we have to save it and click, double click on that. You can see heading levels are there. If I will double click on it, it will be opened before us. And another way is there. Just we have to open the browser and then Control O, the key where you can use to open the document, and I have kept it on the desktop. The folder is this and demo codes and then heading levels, and we have to click on open, and now you will see the result of this. Now you will see Radha Madhav Public School is the largest and this is the smallest. Now just see the code. We did not assign any alignment for H1, so that is why it is in the left side. We have assigned, heading level 2. We have assigned center. So you can see this is in the center, you can see. And we have assigned no alignment for H3. So that is why it is in the left. Now you can see we have assigned H4 right, so that is why this is in the right position, you can see. And again, as far as we are talking about H5, we have assigned no alignment for it, so that is why it is in the left side. I have told you about it. And for H6, we have assigned it to the center, so you can see this is in the center. So all these heading levels are there, which can be used to beautify the text in a web page. Actually, all these things are used, all the attributes are used to change the appearance, the look of the web page, or to beautify the text, or to beautify your web page. Thank you and have a nice day.